So let's explore this app, which is a KEPLR wallet. So this wallet is used, for example, on Osmosis Exchange and few other exchanges and websites. And this is the leading wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem. Yeah, so it recently was trending, so let's just install it. I haven't used it. So for example, on Osmosis Exchange, you can use either like Wallet Connect, or you can just use KEPLR wallet. So we can just use Touch ID to install, and let's see the whole process, how to install the wallet and how to create your own account and go through all of that. So it just takes some time. So the size of the wallet is 21.5 megabytes. So yeah, it wants to connect with Bluetooth. So then you can import existing wallet or create a new wallet. Then to create a new wallet, you can just sign in with Apple or sign in with Google. Yeah, so it's kind of Web 2 combined with Web 3 here. And that's basically it. And then you can just add wallet nickname, add password, some password here. And then it automatically creates. I can enable biometric, meaning I can enable Touch ID or Face ID. And then there you have it. So then I can see my available Atom, staking. So that's about it. And then I, for example, with this scanning QR code, I can just connect to Osmosis. So for example, I can just use Connect Wallet or KEPLR browser extension, or Connect Wallet and then KEPLR mobile. So then I can just scan this QR code. And then Osmosis is requesting to connect your KEPLR account. And then I just can approve it. And there you have it now. As you can see, wallet 1 is connected. So that's about it. So then here you have settings, you have your wallet. I didn't use any like seed phrase, or as you have seen, nothing like that was here. So that's a bit strange for me, as you know, maybe in MetaMask you just have that 12-word phrase. Then yeah, you can view private key, you can see the version, you can delete this wallet, like what and then also like there is some knowledge section where you can learn more about Osmosis, or you can learn more here. So that's the idea. So here there are also some other sections which are part of the, I think, like Cosmos ecosystem, also like so different networks here. So yeah, something like that. So that's interesting. So yeah, something like that. Then there is like this setting here with Wallet Connect, and then you can see address book, and then you can see a wallet. You can add a new wallet here in the top right, import existing wallet, or import Ledger Nano X. So that's just a quick overview, like very quick preview of a KEPLR wallet. Hope it is helpful.